Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on your Chromebook. First, you'll need to enable the Google Play Store through your Chromebook settings. It's crucial to confirm your specific Chromebook model supports Android applications, as not all do. Also, make sure you have sufficient storage, ideally at least 200 megabytes, to accommodate the game and its updates. This initial setup is key for a smooth gaming experience. Once your Chromebook is ready, open the Google Play Store application, which you can find in your app launcher. In the search bar at the top, simply type Brawl Stars and press Enter. You should see the official game by Supercell. Click on the Install button to start downloading and installing the game onto your device. This process usually takes just a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. To get the best experience, you might want to optimize your game. If you notice any lag, try adjusting the in-game graphics settings to a lower quality. For controls, a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard can offer much more precision than the touchscreen or trackpad. Alternatively, many external game controllers are compatible with Chromebooks, providing a console-like feel for intense battles. Experiment to find what works best for you. If you run into any issues, a simple restart of your Chromebook can often resolve minor glitches. For persistent problems like frequent crashes, try clearing the game's cache and data through your Chromebook's app settings. Finally, always ensure both your Chromebook's operating system and the Brawl Stars application are updated to their latest versions. This helps maintain compatibility and provides the best possible gaming performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.